In this video, we see how to generate profiles in Stonex Reconstructor. Go in Mining and click on Quick Profiles. Click on Create New. Reconstructor automatically positions the point cloud from the top view. Click on Pick Profile to define 2 points which will be the start and end point of your profile. Choose the points double-clicking on the 3D view. Click on this check. In yellow, see the position of where the profile will be generated. Check here if you want to repeat the profile. And define the number of profiles and the distance between them. Checking here, you can choose to extract the point cloud slices. Define the width and height from here. Click on Section View to have a preview. And compute. As result, for each contour we will have a polyline, an orthophoto, and a point cloud slice. Here the profile polylines.